नमस्कार। फर्स्ट क्लास मैनेजर मेटल रेस्ट्रिक्टेड लेजिस्लेशन पेपर FMRL 2021 के जो क्वेश्चन सीरीज़ हम लोग डिस्कशन शुरू किए थे, आज उसका 13th वीडियो में मैं रथिन विश्वास ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट सेंटर किरबुर के ओर से आप सबको इस वीडियो में वेलकम करता हूं। आइए हम लोग जानते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 121 से लेके 130 को। इन ए केबल इफ फ्लेक्सिबल मेटेलिक कवर इज यूज्ड फॉर ऑप्शन ए it can be used as the earth conductor instead of the main earthing core. Option B, it shall not be used alone as the earth conductor but can be used as an additional earth conductor along with the main earthing core. Option C, it shall never be used as earth conductor and only main earthing core is to be used for earthing. Option D, another flexible metallic cover shall be used as earth conductor. Option E, none of the options. Correct answer is option B, it shall not be used alone as earth conductor but can be used as an additional earth conductor along with the main earthing core. Next question on 22. When a manager has to be entrusted some job which will make him frequent or prolonged absence from the mine, the absence shall not be more than option A 60 days, B 40 days, C 30 days, D 45 days, E 25 days. Correct answer is A 60 days. Next, which parameters are incorporated in RMR system? रॉक मास रेटिंग सिस्टम RMR सिस्टम में कौन कौन सा पैरामीटर इनकॉर्पोरेटेड है? UCS, RQD, स्पेसिंग ऑफ जॉइंट, पॉइजन्स रेशियो एंड यंग मॉडुलस. ऑप्शन बी UCS, RQD, स्पेसिंग, कंडीशन ऑफ जॉइंट एंड यंग मॉडुलस. ऑप्शन सी UCS, RQD, स्पेसिंग, कंडीशन ऑफ जॉइंट्स एंड पॉइजन्स रेशियो. ऑप्शन डी UCS, RQD, spacing, condition of joint and groundwater. Option E, none of the above. Correct answer is UCS, RQD, spacing, joint condition and groundwater. Rock mass rating system is a geomechanical classification system of rocks. It's developed by Z.T. Braniewski and following 6 parameters are used to classify rock mass using RMR system. Uniaxial compressive strength, that's UCS of rock material. Rock quality designation, that's RQD. Spacing of discontinuity, condition of discontinuity, ground water condition and orientation of discontinuities. ये 6 पैरामीटर्स जो है ये लेकर के RMR सिस्टम डेवलप किया गया है Z.T. ब्रेनेव्स्की द्वारा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 11th नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑन सेफ्टी इन माइंस मेड रिकमेंडेशंस ऑन सेटिंग अप ऑफ माइन वर्कर्स वेलफेयर बोर्ड फॉर ऑल माइनर मिनरल्स, माइका मार्बल्स एंड ग्रेनाइट, सैंडस्टोन मार्बल एंड माइका, sandstone mica and granite, sandstone marble and granite. Correct answer is option E, sandstone marble and granite. Next question, the committee constituted under subsection 1 of section 12 of the Mines Act shall A, consider personnel for making regulation under this act, inquire into such accident as may be referred to it by government, hear and decide any appeals or objection against order under this act. Option D, consider proposal for making the Mines Act. A and B only, B, A, C and D only, C, A, B and C only, D, A, B, C, D all, E, A and D only. Correct answer is A, B and C. Under section 13, it's mentioned the committee's functions. Next question. For calculation of a calendar year's service in case of a person whose service commences on the date other than January 1st, he should put in attendance of dash of working days of a mine in case of working above ground. On 4th, on 3rd, 2/3, half and full. Correct answer is 2/3. As per section 52, 3A, it's half for underground working, and 3B, it's 2/3 for other case, that is surface or above ground or open cast. Next question. The Mines Act shall not apply for excavation being made for prospecting purpose if one of the following condition fulfills. Option A. The excavation made shall not be in watery strata. B. Excavation made shall not be extended below superjacent strata. C. Option 1 and 2. D. Option 1 or 2. E. None of the option. Correct answer is option B. The excavation made shall not extend below superjacent strata. As per section 3 on A, 3 on Act not apply in certain case. The provision of this Act except those conditions in section 7, 8, 9, 40, 45 and 46 shall not apply to A. Any mine or part thereof in which excavation is made for prospecting purpose only and not for purpose of obtaining mineral for use or sale, provided that not more than 20 persons are employed in one day in connection with any such excavation. The depth of excavation measures from its highest and lowest point nowhere exceeds 6 meters, or in case of excavation for coal 15 meter, no part of such excavation extend below superjacent ground. Next question. When injury or death of more than one person take place, Form B shall be sent for entire group of injured or death in one form, not more than 3 persons in one form for B, to be sent in special form with covering letter. Option D, separately in respect of every person injured or killed. Option E, not more than 2 persons in one form 4A. Correct answer is separately in respect of every person injured or killed. As per regulation 9, notice of accident, sub-regulation 3, in respect of every person killed or injured above, the owner, agent or manager shall send chief inspector particulars in form B and C of first schedule within 7 days of occurrence or 15 days of the injured person return to the duty as case may be. Next question. A victim is coughing up blood with bleeding from the mouth and is tender in the abdomen. Pulse is weak and rapid. The victim having signs of massive head injury, internal bleeding, drug overdose, possible poisoning, heart attack. It's internal bleeding. Next question. You have tried to control a victim bleeding with direct pressure and elevation, but the bleeding does not stop. Where would you apply pressure to slow the flow of blood to a wound on forearm? Option A, outside the arm, midway between the shoulder and elbow. On the inside of elbow, inside of the arm between the shoulder and elbow. Any of the above will slow the blood flow. None of the option. Correct answer is inside the arm between the shoulder and elbow. थैंक यू, आपने इस वीडियो देखा। इस सीरीज़ की अगले 2 वीडियो हम लोगों ने लाएंगे। इसमें ऑन 30 ऑन टू ऑन 40 एंड ऑन 40 ऑन टू ऑन 50। इसमें ये FMRL 2021 ख़त्म होने के बाद नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस लेकर के हम लोग और वीडियो सीरीज़ में हाजिर होंगे। तब तक के लिए गुड बाय, थैंक यू।